Yes.
Hey audio lovers, welcome back to Headphone Palace, where your ears come first. Today we have got something seriously exciting, a budget pair of earbuds that promises premium features, powerful sound and active noise cancellation, all for under $60. It's the TOZO NC9 Pro, and trust me, this little box might just blow your mind. Could this be the best bang for your buck wireless earbuds of the year? Let's rip it open and find out, because what's inside might surprise you. Stick around, you do not want to miss this. So before we dive into the box, let's quickly look at what's changed from the TOZO NC9 to this new NC9 Pro, just so you know exactly what you are getting. The original TOZO NC9 already came with Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation, solid 8 mm dynamic drivers, and a recent in-ear decent in-ear fit that blocked out a lot of background noise. But it had no app support. The mic quality was just average, and it ran on Bluetooth 5.0. You would get about 8 hours of playback or 24 hours with the case, which was pretty respectable at this price point. Now where the NC9 Pro steps up. It keeps the same driver size but tunes the sound for better clarity and balance. The ANC has been upgraded too. You will notice better noise cancellation in louder environment. It now supports the TOZO app, so you can tweak your EQ settings, upgrade firmware, and even customize the touch controls. That's a big plus. They have also improved the microphone system, so your voice comes through cleaner on calls. Bluetooth gets a bump from 5.0 to Bluetooth 5.3, giving you a more stable connection and better efficiency. And battery life gets a little boost too. Still 10 hours on a single charge, but now up to 42 hours with the case. Of course, it is ANC in mode. So yeah, for just a little more money, the NC9 Pro gives you a lot more control, better sound, and smarter features. Right off the bat, we have the TOZO NC9 Pro box. The packaging is compact and modern, with the product image front and center. On the sides and back, you will find key space like Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation, transparency mode, and support for the TOZO app. Now just to give you an idea of the size, the box is a perfect square, about 3.5 inch in the both width and height, and the weight it comes in at around 82 gram, super lightweight, which makes it easy to carry or gift. To verify the authenticity of your TOZO NC9 Pro, find the QR code sticker on the box, usually on the bottom or one of the sides. Locate the QR code stickers on the box, usually found on the bottom or side. Gently scratch the silver area to reveal the hidden security code. Visit the official verification website www.china3215.com. Enter the rebel code in the search box and hit enter. Check the results. The website will confirm whether your TOZO product is authentic or not. Alright, I am gonna cut through the poly wrap and get in this box open. First step, we are greeted with the charging case. First up, we are greeted with the charging case securely placed in a foam cut out. It has a premium, I think it's a premium matte finish. It's a premium matte finish, sleek logo TOZO on the top. Look, 18-month warranty. It's matte finish. Look, as something new. With the ANC Pro, it now includes a physical reset button right inside the case. Look, we actually saw a similar button in our unboxing of the TOZO Open Buds, so it's nice to see TOZO adding this feature here as well. Look, here is it's TOZO Open Buds, and here is the reset button. It makes resetting and troubleshooting a whole lot easier. Underneath the tray, we have got a pair of earbuds, ear tips. It's ear tips. One, two, three, four, five extra ear tips. It's the charging cable type. It's USB-A to Type C. Here is the TOZO support card. Here is the TOZO official web page. Here is the TOZO support email. It's the user manual. It's the quick guide. Now let's measure the weight using a digital scale. Starting with the full box. $43. It's pretty lightweight and compact. Now let's check the earbuds individually. Left one 4.94, around 5 gram. Left one around 5 gram. Only the box around 33 gram. Charging cable 8.72 gram. Alright, now let's check the length of the charging cable. (9" It's a small size, I think. The earbuds themselves look premium. You get a subtle TOZO branding on the outside. Look, TOZO branding. Look carefully. Okay. Now let's power them up and get them paired. Then first let's see the display. That is the display, LED display. Look, the display. Okay, now we'll pair it. Look, we got the TOZO NC9. Paired. Nice, now it's paired. Just open the lid and they will pop up in your Bluetooth menu instantly, no fuss. Okay, now we will see the apps. Look, TOZO NC9 connecting the device. Yes, connected. Look here, the left buds battery percentage, right buds battery percentage, noise cancellation feature, transparency mode, reduce white noise mode, laser mode, normal mode, custom pattern. It's community. It's product, other products of TOZO. It's my TOZO. We'll show you the EQ settings. Look, here are more sound effects: standard, bass, classic, dance, deep, jazz, hip hop, Latin, original, symphony, rock, vocal, treble, electronic, blues, keyboard. There are a lot of EQ settings. Okay, now we will discuss about the user manual. Oh, just one thing. Here is the touch panel. Look, touch panel. You can control the track, voice assistant, etc. from here. Okay. User manual. Is the that is the type C charging port. It is the wiring guide, pairing and connectivity, power on off, operation and control. Double tap the L, I think left touch area to switch to the previous song. Double tap the R touch area to switch the next song. Tap the right touch area to play or pass music. Tap and hold the left to lower the volume when music playing. Tap and hold the right to increase the volume when music playing. Incoming call, tap the left or right touch area to answer. On an incoming call, tap and hold the L or right touch area for 2 seconds to reject the call. During dialing, tap and hold the left or right touch area for 2 seconds, cancel the call. Here is the reset process. Active noise cancellation mode or transparency mode. Here is TOZO app pairing system. I think it's little useful. You also see the quick guide, Bluetooth pairing and wiring, smart touch control, power on off. That's all. So far, for under $60, the TOZO NC9 Pro seems incredibly promising. That's it for today unboxing. Let me know in the comments what you want to see tested in the full review. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and remember, at Headphone Palace, we do not just listen to sound, we understand it. Catch you in the next one.